Do you want to win a gaming PC that has an Intel i5 and an Arc GPU?
This gaming PC is $900, features the Intel Arc A750 and i5-12400F. Do you want to win this gaming PC? Well, to find out, you got to stay tuned to today's video, but first, a word from today's sponsor.
Let's be honest, you've been searching the web way too long with your old web browser, and it's time for an upgrade. Well, today's video sponsor, Opera One, has you covered. Starting off with their built-in VPN and ad blocker, letting you search the web in peace and safety. Opera is the first web browser to integrate AI tools. They have stepped up their game with their custom browser AI Aria, giving you easy access to AI tools like ChatGPT with a push of a button. And if you're like me who has a ton of tabs open, their Tab Island feature will be a lifesaver. This feature allows you to easily collapse and expand multiple tabs to keep your browser clean. Speaking of clean, the sidebar of Opera One is where you can easily access all those fantastic tools I mentioned from earlier. From music to AI, they're all in one easy to reach place. Don't forget to meet Aria, Opera's custom AI. It is an expert at helping you generate text or code as well as answering queries you might not have time to research yourself. It is up to date with all the support documentation for Opera One, so if you ever run into any issues, ask Aria for help. There are even more cool features you can discover with Opera One, but you should try it for yourself by checking the link in the description down below. Big thanks again to Opera One for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get to the video, shall we?
So if you didn't know, once a month, every second Friday of the month, we build a giveaway gaming PC, and we build 4 more of them that we actually sell at PCBros for the cost of the parts pretty much. So this is a really awesome opportunity, but hey, if you don't want to even have to pay for that, you guys should check out this giveaway PC.
And of course, if you don't know, PCBros.tech is our PC selling business. You could buy one of these PCs at cost, $900 if you buy it over at PCBros.tech, or you can buy one of our many other PCs we sell and merch. So definitely check out the website, PCBros.tech, and use code ToastyBros2 and check out save 2%. Well, let's not waste any more time and talk about each individual part and how it makes up this PC build.
So for the CPU, we have the i5-12400F 6-core 12 thread that does come with a stock cooler. We will not be using that because we just want this thing to look nice. But yeah, this is an awesome, very power efficient CPU. And the best part about it is it can handle some pretty low end GPUs with pretty minimal bottlenecking, but it can handle up all the way up to like a 4070 with pretty minimal bottlenecking as well. It's just a good all-around CPU. And to cool it, we have the ID Cooling ST214XT. This thing is 20 bucks and it's ARGB. You can get it in white or black. It's gonna go very well with our aesthetic. And like I said, you really don't have to buy this. The stock coolers are just fine for these, but this will get us a little bit of extra performance with those boost clocks. Now for the motherboard, we want this MSI Pro B660MA Wi-Fi DDR4. You can save some money by going with the cheaper B660 or even one of the H series boards, but we decided to go with a pretty decent upgrade path board that has 4 RAM slots. It has 2 4-pins for the CPU, plenty of PCI lanes, and even extra M.2s. So this thing is fully upgradable across the board. And for the RAM, we have this T-Force Delta from TeamGroup, and this is white RGB RAM. That's 16 gigs, 3200 megahertz. And yeah, it's gonna go very well with the build. We've used TeamGroup for years now. We definitely love them. And then we also have a Gen 4 NVMe SSD. Now this is one of the slowest Gen 4s you can get, but it is Gen 4 interface, which is cool. It just runs more like a Gen 3 speed. So if you want some true like Gen 4 speeds, go for something like a Crucial or Western Digital, but these things are like usually $30 to $50, which is really cheap for a Gen 4 1 terabyte.
Now for the GPU and the star of the show. This is the Intel Arc A750. Wow, look at that grand reveal. We have the reference style card here, which we think looks really clean. And the A750 is a card that is increasingly getting better and better and better with driver optimizations. And at the current price point, it's a really competitive option for 1080p high settings and even some 1440p gaming. So for a $900 total build, you're getting a lot of value here using the Arc A750. And to power this build, this is kind of our go-to mid-range power supply. This is the Gigamax 600 watt 80 plus bronze power supply, C-tier power supply from Zalman that gets the job done. The cables are nice, you don't need to go sleeve cables, but of course here at the ToastyBros with this theme PC, we wanted to go sleeve cables, and we have these AsiaHorse sleeve cables, which I'm gonna guess they're white. They're white sleeve cables for this all-white PC build. And speaking of white, we have the case. This is the Bitfenix Novamesh M, which we've actually used in another PC giveaway PC giveaway video that we did probably a couple months back, but it is the Micro ATX version of the Novamesh. Comes with 2 RGB fans up front, 1 in the back, plenty of ventilation for whatever build you wanna go with. You can go with a higher end build in this thing as long as it fits and gets some pretty decent airflow. And altogether for $900, whether you're gonna win this during the giveaway stream over on twitch.tv/ToastyBros or buy it yourself, I think you're gonna be very happy with the performance of this PC. Let's put it together and show you guys.
Alright guys, we're playing Battlefield 2042, and I'm going to show you guys the settings that we're running real quick. So we're currently on 1920 by 1080, and we're on like pretty much a medium preset. And let's see, okay, I'm getting close to 100 FPS, looks like, using 12 gigs of...
And he just got shot down.
Alright.
Now, I've noticed with this game uses the CPU a lot. And even a 6-core 12 thread, we're almost at 100% usage on the CPU, which is pretty crazy.
All right, guys, I'm not using a sniper for once.
Oh, you could have gunned all three of them down.
Mow them down.
There he is, you're back.
Dang, twice in a row?
Ooh, look at the tug.
The friggin' tug. Dang, this thing's slow.
It's called the E-tricycle. They're like, screw your tug.
Can't even tell what's playing. How is a tank faster than a tuk-tuk? They probably can't hit me.
Lock on warning. I think they're locking. Oh, incoming missile. Not the tuk-tuk.
Oh! I'm convinced like leading bullets in this game is just not real.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, Callister, there's more kills for you, buddy.
Oh! Panic pinging.
Oh! All right, I think this time it's legit. He's dead.
I'm making it dead.
All right, guys, we are in Call of Duty. Balance preset, Intel's upscaling technology on balanced, and 120 FOV, and we're getting pretty decent numbers. 100. Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh no! Oh God!
Oh God! They gunned your teammates down.
The performance is good, but the fact that I joined this game and there's a kill streak already that's destroying us is not a great sign, but not too shabby. Given the circumstances, I'm gonna run around with this gun. Oh, good God! What was that gun that I just got zapped with?
Dude, these guys are crazy, dude.
Got him. Hold up.
Come on, boys, we gotta win.
My game.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's 2 of them, 3 of them. Bro.
Oh, it's that guy.
Get out of here.
Got him.
Ah!
Yeah, this PC's good, but it won't make you Call of Duty good.
Oh, get away from!
Yeah.
Oh, he was coming.
He was coming.
I need one more. And it's gonna be me!
No.
Wow.
We didn't have a full team.
We didn't have a full team. Look at the spacing here. Like, the guy asked if those are real players on our team. They weren't. They were AI. They weren't real. They weren't real players. But yeah, that's Call of Duty. It runs pretty well. It doesn't make you a great gamer. It gives you that 26 deaths. That's gonna hurt the KD. But we're gonna run some built-in benchmarks, show you guys what this PC can do, and then we'll wrap this video up real quick because that was painful. That was really painful.
Alright guys, you just saw the benchmarks of this Intel Arc gaming PC, and as you can see, for 900 bucks, this thing's actually really good for the price. You get 4 display outs, you get 8 gigs of VRAM. It's a really decent build, and you could win it like we talked about earlier. July 14th is going to be the giveaway live stream. We go live at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard, and then we stream for the next 6 hours, and right at 5 p.m. when we're ending the stream, we actually do a raffle to give away this PC on twitch.tv/ToastyBros.
So yeah, if you want to have a chance to win this PC, definitely go to that live stream. If you're watching this later down the line and you want to buy one just like this, head on over to PCBros.tech. There may be still some in stock for the price that we mentioned, $900. You can get a really cool PC that looks nice and also performs very well. And if you use code ToastyBros too, you can save 2%, making it an even better deal. But yeah, check the links down below. If you want to build it yourself, there'll be affiliate links to all the parts we used, or just head on over to PC Bros and buy a PC today.
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
Peace out. Like we said, PCBros.tech, we will be giving away this gaming PC and also selling 4 more. And we also have tons of other PCs to choose from, and we have a super secret discount code that's only active on the day of the giveaway stream. It's Toasty6hour, and that gives you 6% off.
PCBros.tech. We sell gaming PCs, gaming laptops, and so much more. Use code ToastyBros2. Not just kidding. Don't do that. Use code Toasty6 or ToastyBros2 any other day of the week. See you guys later. Goodbye.
Peace out.